how could an instructor work with a student who did not prepare well for class? Meng 老师, can you tackle that one?
I already answered the question that one thing that we're using in PCA is called daily grading, that we evaluate students' performances in class on a daily basis. So that means you have to come to the class ready to perform. That's what I tell my students too. Otherwise, if you're not ready, unprepared, you'll get a low grade. And the other thing is we really spend the first week orient students. That's what I was talking. We need to socialize students into our instructional cycle. That is to show them how to use the material, how to prepare for the class. Oftentimes it's not, the students always spend a lot of time, but it's not working. Why? The problem is they don't know how to use the pedagogical material effectively, efficiently enough to prepare. So I always spend the first week to show them how to do it and let the students know how to use the materials.
Yeah, and also in PCA, we usually use a daily grading system. So if the students comes into class without any preparation, they get a 1 point. That's the warm body point. So they are present, but they are not prepared. So if they keep getting once in class, they know they're not going to succeed, right? So they have to work hard. So this kind of formative assessment is more useful than having a end of semester midterm or just one midterm or one exam. So every day give them a grade, and you are kind of training them to become a better learner. So a lot of the students, they are not automatically good learners. We have to train them to become responsible learners.